Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a very atmospheric Toyota Tundra. This is the wire for this product. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the need to prepare. First, we use tools to pry open the key panel and the cigarette lighter panel below the original car. Then we unplug everything at the back of the panel. We continue to loosen the 4 screws that hold the original car's screen host. It has 2 inside and out. Be careful with the inside, or it will fall. We take off the original screen, unplug all the cables on the back. Now we connect the power cord of the new product to the plug of the original car. Connect to canbus. Now we connect the GPS cable to the back of the car radio. Then connect the quad-G antenna. Connect a USB cable. Connect the video input cable. Connect the RCA cable. We removed the cigarette lighter panel from the key panel of the original car and installed it on our new product. Now let's connect the new product button cable. Connect the power cord CAN plug and black power source to the new product. Connect the radio antenna. Now let's reconnect the wire of the cigarette lighter panel. Okay, now install the new product. Now the air conditioner is not working. Let's set up the canbus. Let's enter the factory setting first. After we find the canbus settings, we find the brand of the agreement box and select it according to your model year. Then go to car settings, go to oil settings and choose according to your car. After setting up successfully, there is no problem with air conditioning now. These buttons all work, too. The steering wheel buttons now work as well. With black and white mode, you can switch by hitting the light. Support dial reminder. Support local music or online music functions. Supports video playback. Radio play support. You can customize the tone according to your preferences. You can search the car for advice. Support map navigation. Support CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use the voice assistant operation. You can make calls here, listen to music, use map navigation and other mobile app applications. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.